The bars that appear at the bottom of an app screen and let people quickly switch among different sections of an application. They are translucent. They may also have background tint and maintain the same height in all screen orientations. These bars are hidden when the iOS keyboard is displayed. Enter tab bars. In this video, we'll look at how to add a tab bar in SwiftUI. So let's get started. Over here, we only have a text on the screen. Let's remove the text and add a tab bar. To do that, we are going to use a tab view. In the tab view, let's add a text. This is the text that will show when the tab bar item is tabbed. So let's call this all messages. Next, we will add a tab item to the content using the tab item modifier. Our tab item will contain an image and also a text. For the image, we are going to use an SF symbol. So let's add the image. For the SF symbol, we are going to use an envelope. So we bring the SF symbol application and search for envelope. Let's select this one and press Shift, Command and C to copy the name of the symbol and paste it over here. So that appears at the bottom of the screen. Next, we will add the text that will appear below the symbol. So let's copy this text and paste it below. Then we change the text to messages. So you can now see the text appears below the symbol. In this tab bar design, we need 3 tab items. So let's copy the first one and paste it 2 times. And you can see they all appear on the right side of the first one we just copied. For the one in the middle, we will change the text to search and change the symbol as well. We are going to use magnifying glass. Let's select this one and press Command Shift and C to copy the name of the symbol and paste it in the code. And that replaces the one in the middle, as seen over here. For the third one, we will change the text to all notifications and then use a bell icon instead of the envelope. I'm going to select the second one and press Command Shift and C to copy its name and paste it over here in the code. And that replaces the third symbol. After creating the tab bar, the first item you add for the tab bar will be in focus. If we now tap on any one of them, we switch the focus and that shows the content on the screen. The same with the third icon. When I tap the bell icon, you can see the content shows. Let's bring the image I showed in the beginning of this video again. You can see the bell icon has the number of notifications, which is 10. We can show this in iOS 15 using the badge modifier. So over here on the text, we're going to add the badge modifier as the first modifier for the text. And all we need to add here is the number of count. I'm going to put 10. And that gives an error because this is only available in iOS 15. So by clicking here, we can fix the error. So now we have the badge shown on the bell icon, and that represents the number of notifications received. Next, let's look at how to add the tab bar to another screen. Over here, I have all messages containing a list of content. Below the list, we are going to add the tab bar So all we need to do here is to go to the code. At the bottom of the code, I have the comment, add tab bar here. So we are going to add the tab bar over here. And what we need to do is to bring the file name. The tab bar is contained in this file name, bottom tab. So you can see it shows the tab bar we just created. So we bring the file name, bottom tab, followed by parentheses. And that brings the tab bar below the list of messages. Let's preview again. So by tapping any of the tab items, we switch the content. And that is how to quickly add tab bar to your design in SwiftUI.